Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. So there are like two questions that you ask me every single day. And one is how I lost 45 pounds, like exactly what I did, what I didn't do, everything I changed to lose that weight. And then the other is really how to get and stay motivated, because now, like almost 12 years later, obviously I've completely transformed my life, but it's not only my life that I've changed. I've helped tens of thousands of women transform their bodies, their minds, like their full lifestyles through the years. And this summer, I want it to be your turn. I know how exhausting it can be, feeling like you have tried it all, feeling like you're spinning your wheels, spending your summers feeling self-conscious because you don't feel like you've like quite hit that goal weight yet. I don't want that for you. I don't want that for anyone. I live that life. I totally get it, but I know how rewarding and how freeing it is when you finally unlock that motivation and you're able to create real lasting change. So this summer, I'm doing my 8-week summer shape up challenge. This is a total body transformation challenge, and I want you to join me. It starts on June 13th, but I really want to break down all the details of the challenge so you can understand what to expect when you join. And also there's a new part of this challenge that is something I've never done before that is really going to help completely change the game, not only for all of you out there, but for me too. So all you have to do to join the challenge is put your email in the link below. I'll put it down there. You just drop your email and I will send you all the information, everything you need to know, but I'm gonna break it down here for you guys. First though, I just wanted to show you all of these incredible transformations from recent challenges we've had. So these are transformations from Team LSF women using my programs, the Love Sweat Fitness app, using my meal plans in 8 weeks or less. Some of these are 4-week transformations, you guys. So you have to see these and realize that there is something different. My programs are different. I am different. I come from a place of understanding because I was you. I've been on the other side. I spent most of my life struggling with my weight, struggling to figure out how to get motivated and create real lasting change. I could do things for a couple weeks, maybe a couple months, and then I would slide back and like go way back to the opposite. But I finally was really able to figure out the key for me and for others to create that change that was realistic, that was practical, that made sense for your life, that didn't mean you have to change everything you love and give up foods and entertainment and people and all of that. Like, I feel like life is so restrictive, and especially in diet culture and in so many programs, it's all about restriction. And for me, it's all about adding to your life, making it better, filling it up from the inside out, and that is what you're gonna find in this program. You know that saying, like, in 2 weeks you'll feel it, in 4 weeks you'll see it, and in 8 weeks you'll hear it? It has never been more true, and that is why this challenge is an 8-week challenge, because throughout those 8 weeks, I'm gonna walk you step by step through exactly what I did, what I do every day, and what I've done for all of those women to help create radical transformation in 8 weeks. And that's just the beginning. That is that place. So whether you are trying to lose weight, if you're trying to transform the shape of your body, tone your body, or you just want to challenge yourself and push yourself even more, 8 weeks is the perfect amount of time to jumpstart during the summer, and we're gonna do it all together. So there's really 2 parts to this challenge. There's your fitness, your daily workouts, and your summer shape up nutrition. And I'm gonna break them down for you guys here. So first off, your workouts. I designed my Love Sweat Fitness workouts to be done in 30 minutes or less, and literally from anywhere. So whether you are at home, you're going to the gym, you're on vacation, you can still get your sweat sesh in no matter where you are. And 30 minutes is the optimal amount of time. So I utilize my 3-to-1 method, which takes the most effective fat burning techniques, puts them together in one workout that you can bust out in 30 minutes so you get the best results in the shortest amount of time. Less than 30 minutes a day, it's gonna be really hard to see dramatic change in your body. Obviously, anything is good. Start with 10 minutes, whatever you need. But that 30-minute main workout is really where you're gonna see the biggest transformation happen. During the Summer Shape Up Challenge, when you open up your app, you're gonna see your specific plan laid out for you each day. So you'll have your main workout. This is either a strength or cardio-based exercise routine that's built into the app. You do at your own pace, or you can choose from one of the like hundreds of videos in the video library. So you have that ability to switch it up, but you know exactly what you're doing. You'll also find the Daily 10, which is just a quick 10-minute or less bonus workout, and one bonus move that is going to be targeting a specific body part each week of the challenge. So it's really gonna allow us to sculpt and shape the body body when we're focused on those different areas every single week and really change your body composition. So your workouts are what are really going to change the shape of your body, but your nutrition is what's going to allow you to actually see it. So that's where like the fat starts melting off and you see that definition or that tone start popping through. As a certified sports nutritionist, I also work with a registered dietitian to build my meal plans, and your summer Shape Up nutrition plan is a combination of two of my staple plans. One, the 4-week hot body meal plan, and the 14-day Shape Up. So these two plans combined are going to give you the most insane results over the 8 weeks of this challenge. They're loaded with delicious, easy to follow recipes. You can make it your own, make swaps, you can still eat out. Again, this is really trying to help you transition from like crazy diet culture into more intuitive eating, nourishing your body, fueling your body, giving you energy, but also helping you shed those pounds. The best part about the nutrition plan is that, of course, it is your foundation for seeing results during the challenge, but it also really teaches you how to take care of your body and nourish your body so that you can maintain the results way past the challenge. So I said there was two main parts of the challenge, your fitness and your nutrition, which is true. But there is a third, and honestly, maybe even more important part, and that is this community. Team LSF is the best part of these challenges. If you feel like you have tried to do things on your own and you've struggled with that because you don't have that motivation, you don't have the accountability, you need to do this challenge. Team LSF is by your side. If you guys haven't searched that hashtag yet, I'll put it right here. Go look at the hashtag. Look at these girls. We are checking in on each other every single day, helping support and motivate one another, and it really does make the difference. It makes it so much more fun and allows you to stay accountable to yourself and to this amazing group of women, which is what will help push you to continue every step of the way through those 8 weeks. And if you've never done a challenge with me before, you have to know I also do tons of live workouts. There are amazing giveaways throughout the challenge to help keep you motivated, and a massive grand prize at the end of the challenge for the woman with the most impressive physical, mental, emotional, full body transformation. Again, you've seen some of these women before. If you haven't already, go check out the Team LSF Instagram page too, because we share a lot of their stories over there. But that could be you. At the end of these 8 weeks, that could be your story. If you commit to yourself, you commit to Team LSF, you commit to me right now, we're gonna do Summer Shape Up together. It's gonna be so freaking incredible, you guys. Again, I'll put the link down below for you to join if you haven't yet. Go, just go. You'll see more information about that challenge when you hit that link. Drop your email in there and I'll send you everything you need to know about the challenge. But I do want to tell you about one more thing, and this is very cool. So for this challenge, I'm doing something I've never done before. I was telling you about this in the very beginning, saying that there was just something special that is going to transform everything we're doing this summer. And for the first time ever, I'm doing an exclusive 8-week Making Moves motivational program, because I know how hard it is to unlock that motivation, to truly figure out how to get motivated, how to stay motivated, what that even actually means. Because I feel like oftentimes we're just like, how do I find it? Does it just magically come? Like, what happens? Like, no. It is a process and a system that I've perfected over the last 10 years, and I was finally able to really break it down, simplify it, and put it together in an ebook that I'll be giving to you guys when you join the Making Moves program. It breaks everything down. There's self-assessments in there for your health, your fitness, and just life goals. This is way more than just about weight loss. It truly is the key to helping unlock that motivation for every part of your life. We're going to be doing 3 exclusive workshops throughout the challenge. I'm gonna be checking in with you daily and weekly to help make sure you have that solid accountability. We're gonna have a private close friends group on Instagram, which is gonna be really cool because I can touch base with you guys there daily too, give you motivation tips, check-ins on text, on email. It is gonna be an all-inclusive, like, coaching, connectivity, motivation, craziness that is going to last the entire 8 weeks of this challenge. So this is an addition to the Summer Shape Up Challenge, but we're doing it alongside it. Again, it's the Making Moves motivational program. I'll link that down below as well. It is the perfect time to join that program, but it is a limited space available. So I want to keep this really intimate. I want to keep it personal. It's the first time I've ever done this. We're closing it on the 12th. So if you haven't joined yet and you're thinking about it, you need to go join. You can get more information too on that link, but make sure you guys join this because Space is limited. We're closing on the 12th, and then that is it. I cannot wait to get started with you guys. Everything starts on June 13th, so do not miss out. Join the Summer Shape Up Challenge with that link down below. Check out the Making Moves program and commit to yourself, commit to me. Let's do this together. I love you guys so much. It's gonna be so much fun. I'll see you next week. Bye.